Hi everyone, it's Stella here from Why Not Stitches, and in this video I'm going to try diamond paintings for the first time. If you never tried diamond painting and want to research it before you start, stick with me until the end of the video to learn from my experience. I usually do modern embroidery, but I'm easily distracted by all kinds of crafts. And this one caught my eyes because it looks like a great way to disconnect from the noise of the daily routine. And I thought, why not try it? And I was not disappointed. In this video, I'm going to show you what's included in the kit from Craft Ease, how to paint with diamonds, and I will show you the tricks I've learned in my process. Also, I have a promo code of 20% off in my description down below. For those of you who don't know, diamond painting is something between cross stitch and paint by numbers. I'll give you some reasons why you should try diamond painting. It's a relaxing activity where you don't have to make a great effort to make it done. It's stress relieving and mind calming. You can gather some friends or members of your family to paint together. You can frame it after you finish it. Another reason is that I have a 20% off when you purchase your kit from the link below in my description. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that I put a lot of time and energy to create this video. Your support will help me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. I've got this kit from craft-ease.com. It shipped within 10 days, which is really fast. At least I think so. The package was a little bit damaged, but the kit itself had no visible damages or any issues at all. Let's see what's inside. A set of tools, a lot of colorful diamonds, and the canvas with this beautiful artwork. Isn't this cute? I really like the blue colors in a mix with pink ones. We have the canvas with one sticky side on which the diamonds go on. The canvas is flexible and feels of high quality. The size is 45 by 55 centimeters. The toolkit includes 2 drill pens with 2 sides that can pick up 1 diamond, 3 diamonds, and even 6 diamonds, so you can go faster with your process. Each pen gets a foam grip, which is nice. Also, we have a pair of tweezers in case you make a mistake. A tray that has these little dividers that will help sort out the diamonds. And 2 pieces of pink wax that go into the tip of the pen and will help to pick up the diamonds. Each bag of diamonds has a number on it that correlates with its color code. The color codes are in the top right corner of the canvas. Let's begin with a bit of organizing. You'll need a pair of scissors to separate the bags from each other. I've sorted the bags by color and put them in a bowl. I've seen other diamond painters have some sort of little containers, but I think that you can get those once you know you're gonna stick with this craft. If you're like me trying it for the first time, just find a bowl or a box to keep all the bags together. When opening the bag, I highly recommend using scissors because if you tear the bag, all the diamonds will fall and they are pretty jumpy. If you have opened the bag and want to put it aside, use a clip or something to close the bag. It doesn't matter, just close the bag. If you are left-handed, start from the top left corner. If you are right-handed like me, go ahead and start at the top right corner of the canvas. Look at the chart to find the number of the symbol you want to start with. Find the bag with the number you need. Cut a little corner. Then put the diamonds in the tray. Shake it a little bit and the diamonds will position themselves for an easier pickup. The canvas has a transparent foil to protect the sticky part. Peel the foil in the area you plan to work. Fill up the tip of the pen with the sticky wax. I'll just poke the tip through the wax. Here you go. It's filled up. Do the same thing for all the other tips of your pen. Pick up the diamonds one by one. When you work large areas, pick up 3 or 6 diamonds just like so. And then stick the diamonds to the canvas. Looks pretty easy to me, isn't it? Here is about 15 minutes of work. At first I was working a lot with the one diamond tip because it was easier to place them down. In time, I got used to working with 3 diamonds at once, and later on, I've got used to 6 diamonds nib as well. Here is about 1 hour of work. At this point, I had no idea how much time it will take. The one thing I know, it's really satisfying. In my process, I've made a little mistake by sticking the wrong color. And here are the tweezers that come in handy. By now, I've learned that the edges of the canvas that are not covered by diamonds need to be covered with washi tape, so it doesn't stick to your hand. You might need to put the diamonds that you are not using at the time in some kind of support, maybe a box, maybe a little container if you have those. The important thing is to write down the color code so you can easily find the diamonds you need when you need them. Or the laziest thing to do is to put them back in its bag. Here I have about 8 hours of relaxing work. At this point, I'm excited to be working on it and looking forward to seeing the final piece. And look how beautiful it looks in the daylight. It's so dreamy. As I was working on it, I found myself daydreaming and reflecting on all kinds of things from my life. I think it's a common feeling for this kind of craft. Once you get used to sticking the diamonds, it becomes stress relieving and relaxing. You don't have to think about your next step too much. You don't need to make a big decision, you just need to go with the flow. I think all crafts should make you feel this way. This is why I'm doing it too. Remember not to stress yourself to place the diamonds perfectly straight. It's almost impossible, especially if this is your first time. Perfection is the enemy of getting things done, so you better don't focus on perfection. Just get it done. After a while, it gets a little bit easier to place multiple diamonds at once and you'll get faster. What I like the most about the kit from Crafties is that the symbols on the canvas are clear and the diamonds are extremely rich in color. Another useful tip is to work the edges first and then the middle of the canvas. Of course, you can work as you wish. but I found this method a little bit cleaner. Also, if you ever need to clean the tip of the pen, this is how I've got to do that. Before the video ends, I must say that I'm impressed to see how it turned out. I'm thinking to frame this piece, hang it on the wall, or maybe give it as a gift. I hope I've inspired you to try diamond painting as well. If you like the video so far, don't forget to click the like button. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye bye!